Keep food fresh with less mess. Wide, rigid opening allows you to easily load food into the bag while reducing the risk of spills. Bag stands upright, durable, steady design lets you fill bags with less effort. Plus, it makes organizing things in the fridge, freezer, and pantry easier too. Space saving, folds flat when not in use for compact storage. Freshness that lasts for weeks, not days. BPA-free multi-layer design is constructed of commercial-grade material that creates an airtight barrier around foods, extending freshness and locking in flavors. Compatible with FoodSaver countertop vacuum sealers, the sealing strip in FoodSaver vacuum sealers heats to a precise temperature that works specifically with FoodSaver bag material, ensuring you get a secure airtight seal. Keep food fresh with less mess with the FoodSaver Easy Fill vacuum sealer bags. Thanks to its upright design and wide, rigid opening, you can easily load food into your bags with less effort and less spills. It offers the same protection from freezer burn, spoilage, and nutrient loss as traditional FoodSaver vacuum sealer bags, with a whole lot more convenience. Top reviews from the United States. Great for soup/sauce storage. These easy fill bags are great for storing our large batches of soups and sauces. We've been using our regular FoodSaver bags, but would have to prop them up for filling. These flat bottom bags stand on their own, which is much easier. I find I do need to roll over the top edge for filling, to avoid getting residue on the outside edge. Maybe I'm just less careful or more messy than most folks. After filling, I flip the edges back up and seal. I like storing our soups/sauces in flat containers to maximize freezer storage space, and you can still do that with these bags. After sealing, just lay flat and redistribute the contents, then freeze flat until you're ready to use. As far as size goes, we're cooking primarily for 2, so the quart size is perfect. If you want/need to put up larger portions, maybe consider going to the gallon-sized bag. Great options.